Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Mr. English Daily, the place where your English gets stronger every single day. I'm Sarah, and as always, I'm here with my wonderful co-host.
That's me, Mike. Hello, everyone, wherever you are right now. Whether you're drinking your morning coffee, riding the bus, or lying on your sofa doing absolutely nothing, we are happy you're here.
Lying on the sofa? Mike, is that what you were doing this morning?
Okay, maybe a little. I will not lie to you, friends. This morning was a struggle. My alarm went off at 6:30, and I just lay there staring at the ceiling like, why? Why is morning a thing?
Oh, I know that feeling so well. The ceiling becomes very interesting at 6:30 in the morning.
Very interesting. I was looking at a small crack in the paint, and I started thinking, does that look like a rabbit? Or maybe a mountain? And then 15 minutes were gone just like that.
A rabbit on the ceiling. But wait, you are here now, so something worked.
Something did work, and it is actually connected to today's topic, which is perfect, right?
Very perfect. So today, friends, we are talking about self-discipline. And before you close the app, don't worry, we are not going to lecture you. No boring advice, just real conversation, real stories, and some ideas that actually work.
Real stories, yes. Embarrassing stories, also yes.
But first, a small and important favor from us to you. If you enjoy this show and it helps your English, please tap that like button right now. It is 1 second of your time and it helps us so much.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Daily so you never miss a new episode. We put a lot of love into every conversation, and we want you to be part of this growing family.
If you have a friend who is learning English or who sometimes struggles with motivation, share this episode with them. It might be exactly what they need today.
Okay, self-discipline. Sarah, what does that phrase even mean to you?
To me, self-discipline means being able to do what you planned to do even when you don't feel like doing it. It's the gap between I should and I will.
Ooh, that's good. The gap between I should and I will. I live in that gap, Sarah. I have a house there.
Most people do, and that's the thing. We think self-discipline means being perfect, waking up at 5 a.m., cold shower, run 10 kilometers, drink green juice.
While reading 3 books at the same time.
Exactly, but real self-discipline is much simpler than that. It's just doing the small thing when the lazy feeling is loud.
Okay, so tell me, what is the first idea? Because I need help. I need practical help, Sarah.
The first idea, and this one changed everything for me, is to make the start incredibly small. Not small, incredibly small.
How small are we talking?
2 minutes small, 5 minutes small. You want to study English? Don't say, I'm going to study for 2 hours. Say, I'm going to read for 5 minutes.
Only 5 minutes?
Only 5, because here's the secret. Starting is the hardest part. Once you start, your brain relaxes. It says, oh, this is fine, I can keep going, and suddenly 5 minutes becomes 20 minutes.
That actually happened to me this morning. I told myself, Mike, just put on your shoes, just the shoes, nothing else. And once I had my shoes on, I thought, well, I'm already dressed for it, I might as well go outside.
See? You used the trick without even knowing the name. It's sometimes called the 2-minute rule. Just begin, just the first tiny action.
I am accidentally brilliant.
You are. But Mike, can I ask, have you ever had a moment where you sat down to do something productive and then completely lost the plot?
Oh, do you want the long version or the short version?
Long version, always.
Okay, so last Thursday, I decided I was going to write an email, an important email to a colleague, very professional. I sat down, I opened my laptop, I typed "Dear," and then I noticed the window behind my laptop had a small smudge.
No.
Yes, and I thought, I should clean that. So I went to get a cloth, and while I was in the kitchen getting the cloth, I saw the dishes, and I thought, well, while I'm here...
Mike!
And then I cleaned the dishes, and then I organized the cupboard a little, and then I remembered I was hungry, so I made a snack, and 1 hour and 40 minutes later I came back to my laptop and the word dear was still sitting there waiting for me.
Dear is still waiting. That is the distraction spiral, and it is so real. One small thing pulls you into another thing, and suddenly the whole afternoon is gone.
And the worst part is, I didn't even clean the window smudge. I forgot about it completely.
Of course you did. Okay, so here is something important for our listeners. When that happens, when you get distracted, when you lose an hour, when you do everything except the main thing, what should you not do?
Panic?
Don't be mean to yourself. That's the big one. So many people, when they lose focus, they say terrible things to themselves. I'm so lazy. I never finish anything. What's wrong with me?
And I definitely do that. And when you say those things, what happens?
I feel terrible, and then I want to eat something and watch something and avoid everything.
Exactly. The harsh voice makes the problem worse. So instead, try speaking to yourself like a kind friend. Okay, you got distracted. That's normal. Let's just try 5 minutes now.
Be your own kind coach, not your own angry critic.
Perfectly said. And that actually connects to the next idea, your why. Why are you doing the thing in the first place?
Oh, the why. Because when the lazy feeling comes, and it will come, the why is what pulls you through. If I'm learning something and I have no reason attached to it, I will quit every single time.
So for our listeners learning English, what might their why be?
So many things. Maybe they want to travel and speak confidently at airports and hotels. Maybe they want a better job where English is required. Maybe they want to understand their favorite movies without subtitles.
Or maybe they want to understand what Sarah and I are talking about completely, every word, every joke.
Yes, that is a beautiful why. And when you know your why, write it down somewhere visible, on your mirror, on your phone wallpaper. Because on the hard days, that reminder gives you a little push of energy.
I love that. My why for going to the gym, honestly, is that I want to feel good when I climb stairs without losing my breath.
That is the most honest why I have ever heard.
I am a realistic man, Sarah.
You are. Okay, here is another idea that I think people sleep on. Changing your environment.
Environment? Like go study in a forest?
Not quite. I mean the physical space around you. Your desk, your room, your phone. Here's a simple example. If I want to drink more water but I keep forgetting, I put a big glass of water right next to my keyboard.
So it's just there. You don't even have to decide to drink it.
Exactly. You make the good habit easy and the bad habit harder. If you eat too many snacks late at night, don't buy them or put them somewhere inconvenient, top shelf, back of the cupboard.
Out of sight, out of mind.
Yes. And for English learners, if you want to practice every day, put your notebook or your vocabulary cards somewhere you can't ignore, next to your bed, on your keyboard, in front of the coffee machine.
Oh, that's smart, because when you see it, you think, just 5 minutes, and we already know what 5 minutes can do.
Exactly. And one more thing I want to mention, sometimes self-discipline is about protecting your time from other people.
Ooh, that one is sensitive.
It is, but it's real. How many times has a friend invited you to do something fun when you know you had a goal to work on?
Every weekend, Sarah, every single weekend.
And what do?
I say yes immediately, and then I feel guilty the whole time I'm having fun, and then I stay up too late trying to catch up, and then I'm tired and grumpy the next day.
So the self-disciplined answer is not no forever. It's not right now. You say, I'd love to, but I need 1 hour first. Can we meet at 7 instead?
That sounds so mature. Can I actually say that?
You can, and real friends will respect it. You're not rejecting them, you're protecting your time and your goals.
I am going to practice saying that. Not right now. That is my new phrase.
Write it down, listeners. Not right now is a complete sentence.
Okay, here is a question for our listeners right now. We want to hear from you. What is the thing you keep putting off, the task that lives on your to-do list for weeks and weeks? Write it in the comments.
Yes, and then after you write it, go do 5 minutes of it right after this episode. 5 minutes. Let's see what happens.
That is a challenge, and I am here for it.
Also, if you are still listening right now, that is self-discipline. You chose to spend this time learning. You could be doing something else, and you chose this. Give yourself credit.
That's genuinely true. You are already doing it right now.
So, let's go through the main ideas one more time for everyone.
Okay, I'll go. Idea 1, start incredibly small. Use the 5-minute rule. Don't try to do everything, just begin.
Idea 2, be kind to yourself when you lose focus. Speak to yourself like a good friend, not an angry teacher.
Idea 3, know your why. When it gets hard, your reason keeps you going.
Idea 4, design your environment. Make good habits easy and bad habits inconvenient.
And idea 5, protect your time. It's okay to say not right now. Your goals matter.
Beautiful. Mike, this was such a good conversation today.
It really was, and I feel motivated now. I'm going to write that email. The whole email, not just dear.
The whole email. We're proud of you. Friends, thank you so much for spending this time with us today. We truly love making these conversations for you.
If this episode helped you even a little, please leave us a like and a comment. It genuinely keeps this show going, and we read everything.
Share this with someone who needs a little push today, and subscribe to Mr. English Daily so we can keep learning together.
Until next time, take one small step today. Just one. That's enough.
Bye for now, everyone.
See you in the next episode. Take care.